What's up, guys? Today we are gonna be playing Blox for another day, and just saying that I've been checking out the new Doors Bad update. The update was better. It was like Doors but bad, even better. But the old one, I played the old one, but wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it super quick. I'm just gonna put it on peeled scarf. Where's my peeled scarf? Here. Now, get back. I'm pretty sure he got Dark Dagger first try. He just told me that he got the Dark Dagger first try. But you know what I am like. Of course I've got the Dark Dagger. My inventory is not much, but at least I've got the Dark Dagger like him. I got it fully mastered. He only got one move in it, but he probably doesn't even have it. Probably doesn't even have it. Or no, actually, I'm just gonna say yo Ben in the chat. That's what I just call him. You know what I mean. Yo, PP Super 101. I'm Rick. Got new. Yeah, I know. No. He got 30 million bounty stats. This dude that got the 30 million bounty stats, he got superhuman, we got Buddha. He's supposed to get Rumble like me. Oh, I accidentally hit him. Oh my. Have you been grinding? Have you been grinding? And I'm just going to show the thing real quick. I don't believe that. Oh, no mind, I can still hit him. Oh. But I can't believe, but I still can't believe you have got Dark Dagger in first try. I'm Wreck, by the way. With my voice. Okay. Wait, what? The Sonic XD! Come on, who name is that, bro? I got Wing. He's the only one in this crew. It's not like I made this crew. But that's his bounty. This is his bounty. Ben, you got 530 million. You need 10 more kills to 2.5. No, one more. One more. you're Goku, my guy. Oh my god, you actually just does. Don't you dare, bro. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. You want the smoke? You will get the smoke, bro. I'm going on my 6.5. You just did that? You better not. I don't think I should roll. Look at my money. I got so low with money and so low flags. I just wasted. I'm just gonna roll a few and I got this bike fruit. I'm almost at 8 million please. Wanna no, not actually. Ow. Rip_0. More like Rip_Pipsqueak. Bro, can't even do ding dong stuff. Bro, he can't even hit me. He's so fat. He can't even hit me with anything. Whoa. You're just letting me kill him, bro. He can't even hit anything. Chong. I don't care. I'll win this 2v1 no matter what. No, don't run now, little man. I'm just gonna wake. You're dead now. You're dead now, buddy. Got this dude. Oh, he got me in the combo, bro. Oh, I missed. We're gonna go on the ground, little man. We're gonna go on the ground. I always win 2v1 fights. I never lost a 2v1 fight. I'm not even dumb. Got this dude. Oh my god. Bro, I'm not even trying. Oh my god. Oh my god. He just did. I just got 2v1 in the middle of a bid. Oh my god. Who's using smoke? Who's using smoke? Oh, he got me in the combo. Wait, what? He can't even. Oh yeah, he didn't even put on his haki. So got this guy. I'm so unstoppable. I'm an unstoppable person. Oh. Dude, bro, these kids are the fighting so bad, bro. You wanna kill me? I just need to kill them. got this dude. Got both of them. That's how you start a real PvP fight, bro. No PvP or now. Oh! I got that spike for you. You can have it, my guy. You can have it, my G, bro. You can have it, my G. Let me just reset. And now, I'm just gonna go in Pirates team. See who's gonna PvP fight me. Now I'm just gonna go Pirates team. Okay, don't say my name's Katakuri. But, wait. Where did Moses go? Who won 1v1? Someone who won 1v1, my G's. Oh my god. Literally, I'm just gonna. So, I want this guy to wait, I need to see my true bounty. 216 mil, who just left? No, the person just left. No way. No way that 30 million bounty left the crew. That is so sweet. This guy. What? What the heck? I need 4 more kills. A bounty, bro. Unstoppable. 1v1 now, bro. Bro, let's just join a different server. Then after this, I'm just gonna make a video of getting the cyber grease. Yeah. Wait, someone's outside. Let's go. Oh my god. I need to play just good, cause I'm on Pirates team. I don't. Oh, this guy with dough, bro. Don't run now, little bro. No, he's a cool dude. Actually, he's a cool dude for not running. Actually, he's a cool dude for that. No, bro. Oh my god, he's doing so much damage, bro. Got the ow! He just killed him. Sad, bro, sad. I just got bounty from that dude. So lucky and bound, bro.